Given the graph, find the solution. Here we have two equations. Find the solution. Do the lines intersect? Well, you can scarcely see it, but y equals -1 runs horizontally here. So the solution is 2, -1, and the x-coordinate is 2. Here we have what appear to be parallel lines. We don't want to judge by appearances, so what are we going to do? We're going to look at the y-intercept plus 2 minus 2. The slopes are the same. The slopes are the same, and the y-intercepts are different. These lines are never going to cross. There is no solution. Given the following systems of equations, choose the method and explain the steps. Well, I would choose elimination for this problem because we have 4x minus 4x. So my method is elimination. What are my steps? I add the two equations. Then I isolate y. Then I substitute the y values. To find x. Well, in doing that, adding the two equations gives me 6y equals -36, so y equals -6. Substituting back in, 4x minus 48 equals -24. Add 48 to both sides. 4x equals 24, x equals 6. And that is how I would check to see whether I had it correct. -24 plus 12 equals -12. 24 minus 48 equals -24. So that's my solution. Now, that is not what I was asked to do. I was only asked to choose the method I would use, and I chose elimination because of the -4x plus 4x, and explain my steps. I would add the two equations, then I would isolate y, then once I have y by itself, I have the value for y. I can substitute my y value in to find the appropriate x. So my solution is 6, -6. Here, choose the method. The method here would obviously be substitution, because we have one of our variables expressed in terms of the other. What are my steps to solve? I substitute x minus 1 for y. Then I isolate x. I use my value of x to find the value of y. Finally, I check my answer. So if I were doing that for real, I would say 2x minus 3 times x minus 1 equals negative 1. I then distribute my negative 3. That would give me 2x minus 3x plus 3. I have to distribute my negative 3. Negative 3 times x is negative 3x. Negative 3 times negative 1 is plus 3 equals negative 1. 2x minus 3x is negative x. I subtract 3 from each side. Negative x equals negative 4. So x equals 4. If x equals 4, y equals x minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. So y equals 3. Again, I do not have to do all of this because that's not what I was asked to do. I was asked to explain my steps, and I did that here. But a little extra practice is a good thing. My ordered pair is 4, 3. I haven't checked my answer yet. 2 times 4 is 8. Minus 3 times 3 is negative 9. 8 minus 9, that's negative 1. And y is equal to 4 minus 3. Y is equal to 4 minus 1. Yeah. 3 is 4 minus 1, so I know I'm correct.